Come here. I got the best seat in the house for you right here. Here you go. Best seat in the house right here for you. Yeah, right there. It's a perfect seat for you. No one is safe from the slime.
I don't know. What's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love.
So, me, I wanna pack my bags into the closet. So it feels like home. My phone's currently dying, so, and we wanna go to 7-Eleven to just buy the things that we need, like proper food, dinner, and stuff. So mommy best bought food. Did you not get food?
No.
Look at mommy making food.
They know it.
Yeah. Oh, there's tea now. Waiting for it to load. Onion ring. Ah, I said that first. This is what we're watching. Literally guess the what or something. Guess the food. Fish golden fish. Gold. What? Fish cakes. Fish sticks. Fish fingers. Goldfish. Who is that? We're going to have dinner. And yeah, there's not enough umbrellas. There's only one. I look crazy. Look at the one. I'm falling. But anyway, I can't see. I'll see you guys when we're at the restaurant.
Living a fantasy, I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy, the ladies as pimps tonight. Living inside
Like imagine this in red.
the slave where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look like, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could.
We are going to the supermarket. We have $4. We currently are carrying bring $4. People. And it's a bit wonky.
7-Eleven.
It's not 7-Eleven, it's 7-Eleven. It's a wannabe 7-Eleven. But hey, what can we do about it? Here are the noodles. I'm getting these chakalakawas. Which ones would Tawan take? Beef or chicken?
Wait, this beef.
Okay. Hello. Back with a ton of noodles and $1. Oh, $2.
I look too good, put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
It's filming. We've ate a lot today. I won't even lie. It is so dark. I don't know where we're going. It is so dark. All I see, dark.
I see light.
Okay, I see light.
Okay, I see it.
Ah, wait. Go straight. Those eyes. Those are eyes. That's our bike. Let's cross. Okay, it's the end of the night. Let me go outside. Ah, the flash is. It's evening. Go to sleep. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Oh, bye. Bye.
Bye. Currently, the next morning, I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I'm going to edit a video so I can have space to vlog today. Yesterday, I did not have space. That's why I did not vlog as much, and as anyways, we didn't go anywhere. Today, we're going to the sunset cruise. So, yeah. Holiday Chronicles 3 or 2. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm going to do. Yo, my eyes look uneven. I'm going to do some editing, people. I'm going to do some editing. My parents went on a walk, so hopefully they don't chakana with the elephant, because they said it's possible. Let me go edit, guys. I'm so dizzy. My eyes look uneven. I hate it. Okay, they look fine now. Look at the prettiness. It's so pretty. So here's my outfit, guys. Let me show you guys outside or something. How am I gonna put my camera down with the broken tripod? What? I don't have her black slippers. Oh, Mama's room is nice. Mama, there are your shoes. There they are. No, why a nigga making me laugh like that? Keep your composure. I'm using Eco, guys. That's what I'm using. If you don't use Eco, what are you using? And if it's better than Eco A, hit me up, yo.
We shit into midnight. We shit our stories about life and wrongs I'm still writing, but
my edges are done. Let's go. Kadala. You really thought. Okay, but my thing at the back is coming out. I don't have a hair tie. Oh, so I'll come back. Anyway, I got my makeup. And my tie. Is it working? It's on. To reply to text before I leave, but as of right now, I'm done. Look cute. Look cute.
the sun's here.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing dusty slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, it's in action. These days, no my yeah, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't no bad. Blood and murder, no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Bon, on a cool.
You. How's it going?